Earth is like this. These are the longitudes that we are seeing. And this is the equator. From west to east, the Earth is moving like this. It is moving at the rate of 15 degrees per hour. That means, is this is equal to 900 miles per hour, nautical miles per hour? Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 degree is equal to 60 miles, so 15 degrees is equal to 900 miles. So Earth is actually moving with a peripheral speed of 900 miles per hour. It is continuously moving, constantly moving. If we have a gyro compass, which is well stabilized and everything, damping वगैरह, तो अगर वो ऐसे है तो नॉर्थ की तरफ देखता है, अगर यहाँ पे है तो भी वो नॉर्थ की तरफ देखता है, अगर वो यहाँ है तो भी नॉर्थ की तरफ देखता है, अगर यहाँ है तो भी नॉर्थ की तरफ, अगर यहाँ है तो भी नॉर्थ की तरफ. At all these times, wherever it is located, is it not at 90 degree to the Earth's motion? The compass spin axis is settling down at perpendicular to the motion of the Earth. Is it yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. So this is an observation that you have to keep in mind, that the gyro compass is settling down at perpendicular to the Earth's motion. And the Earth motion is at 900 miles per hour because it is 15 degrees per hour. But 15 degrees per hour at this place, equator, and 15 degrees per hour at this latitude and on the poles, will it be same 900 all along, or it is going to be different?
Different.
Different. That means at 0 degree latitude, this is maximum. At 90 degree latitude, it is 0. Is that correct or not?
Yes, sir.
At the pole, Earth is rotating like this. At the pole, there is no motion. वहां पे सिर्फ अपने जगह पे घूम रहा है ऐसा. But equator पे वो एक peripheral speed बन रही है 900 miles की per hour. So at 0 degree maximum, at 90 degree 0, what does it mean? Is this a function of cosine? The peripheral speed is a function of cosine. Is that correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So now we make it small. इतने बड़े अर्थ में नहीं, अब इसको हम लोकली बना के देख रहे हैं. So Earth at all time is moving at the peripheral speed of 900 miles cos latitude. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Vector ले लिया हमने. True north is here. If the gyro compass is stationary at this place, the gyro compass is also pointing here, which is the gyro north also. The north pointing, both are same and both are perpendicular to each other. यहां तक ठीक है? ट्रू नॉर्थ की तरफ gyro भी दिखा रहा है, so everything aligned, no problem. Earth is moving at 900 cos latitude. इक्वेटर पे होगा तो 900, जैसे जैसे लैटिट्यूड बढ़ेगी 90 की तरफ, पोल की तरफ, वैसे वैसे पेरिफेरल स्पीड कम होगा. बट दिस gyro compass is going to remain perpendicular to the Earth's motion. So much, so far, so good.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now suppose the ship starts moving. She was at this place. Which place? She was here to begin with, and she starts doing a 000 degree course. That means northerly course. After 1 hour, when this longitude is reaching here, let us say 1 hour, then at the speed of b, she will have moved somewhere here because she is doing 000 course. तो वो यहाँ पहुंच जाएगी या नहीं, लैटिट्यूड में ऊपर चढ़ जाएगी या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Good. That means she started off at A and she has reached at point B. So the gyro compass which was installed here is experiencing a motion which is not AC, but AB. Is that correct? The gyro compass is experiencing a motion which is from A to B because Earth is moving like this, 900 cos lat. The ship is moving at the speed of B with 000 course. So because of that, the gyro compass is experiencing a motion from A to B, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In response to that, as the behavior of the compass is, we have already seen that it tries to settle down perpendicular to the motion experienced by it. In that case, she tries to settle down here, which is perpendicular to this. In doing so, she gets deviated here and the gyro starts pointing in this direction.
सर ये लास्ट वाला को रिपीट करेंगे, समझ नहीं आया.
One statement, one line statement. The gyro compass has a tendency to settle down perpendicular to the motion experienced by this. Think about this sentence. The gyro compass has a tendency to settle down perpendicular to the motion experienced by the compass.
So sir, AB के perpendicularly वो
If the gyro compass is here, she is settling down perpendicular to the motion experienced by it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If she is here, she is experiencing this motion and she is again perpendicular to the settling perpendicular to the motion experienced by it, because this is the north, this is the motion experienced because of Earth's motion, and so she is perpendicular to the motion experienced by her. Is that correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whatever motion she is experiencing, she will have that tendency to remain perpendicular to that.
Yes, sir.
Force जो लगा.
Okay. So when the ship was stationary, the gyro compass stationary, given at this place, the Earth is moving at 900 cos lat peripheral speed. जहाज यहाँ थी, थोड़े देर में यहाँ पे होगी. If it was stationary, if the ship was not steaming at anchor.
Yes, sir.
So the gyro compass will be here and the gyro compass will be here, perpendicular here, perpendicular here.
Yes, sir.
But if she is doing a 000 course at the speed of b, then when she starts from here, let us say latitude, let us say 15 degrees north, and when she starts steaming, तो 1 घंटे में लेट अस से फॉर एग्जांपल दैट 15 डिग्रीज 30 मिनट्स नॉर्थ पे चली गई, तो यहां पहुंच गई या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
That means she started off at this latitude. In latitude, she has risen by half a degree. That means this is the motion experienced by the compass. तो compass यहाँ था, अब यहाँ पे चल रहा है compass.
Yes, sir.
तो जो पहले ऐसे कंपास का स्पिन एक्सिस होता था, अब चूंकि मोशन एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है इधर का, तो शी विल हैव अ टेंडेंसी टू सेटल डाउन परपेंडिकुलर टू द मोशन एक्सपीरियंस बाय हर. जो यहाँ पे इस मोशन के साथ परपेंडिकुलर था, अब चूंकि रिजल्टेंट इज लाइक दिस फ्रॉम ए टू बी, शी विल हैव अ टेंडेंसी टू सेटल डाउन perpendicular to the motion experienced by her, which is a combination of this and this and this. Is that correct?
Yes.
In doing so, she gets deviated. जो true north था, उससे gyro north is getting shifted westerly. So there is a westerly error. This westerly error is how much? Is it by the same amount as it is here? जितना ये इधर को गया उतना ही इधर को जाएगा, because both of them are perpendicular. So जितना इधर को गया उतना इधर डेविएशन हो जाएगा.
लैटिट्यूड
लैटिट्यूड क्या?
लैटिट्यूड के एंगल से होगा ना सर?
लैटिट्यूड का क्या एंगल होता है?
नो सर, आई मीन 15 डिग्री.
15 डिग्री इज द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ लॉन्गिट्यूड. जो लॉन्गिट्यूड यहाँ पे थी वो 900
नहीं,
माइल्स.
आपने लिखा था से 15 डिग्री नॉर्थ, उसके लिए बोल रहा था मैं.
15 डिग्री नॉर्थ तो लैटिट्यूड है, मतलब यहाँ पे आप 15 डिग्री डाल दीजिए. दिस इज द स्पीड एक्सपीरियंस. दिस ये वाला वेक्टर है वो 900 cos 15 डिग्रीज है लैटिट्यूड.
ओके सर.
मतलब जैसे जैसे ऊपर जाएंगे 15 डिग्रीज पे 900 नहीं होगा, कम होगा. इक्वेटर पे cos 0 डिग्रीज इक्वल टू 1, सो 900. इक्वेटर पे पेरिफेरल स्पीड पूरा 900 मिलेगा आपको. जैसे जैसे लैटिट्यूड में चढ़ेंगे वैसे वैसे धीरे धीरे ये कम होता जाएगा. ये वेक्टर जो है वो कम होता जाएगा. जैसे जैसे लैटिट्यूड बढ़ेगी ये वेक्टर कम होता जाएगा. सही है?
यस सर.
Everyone, are we good that there will be a westerly error created if the ship is doing a northerly course?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
So, if the speed is more, then there will be more deviation. If the speed is less, then there will be less error. Correct?
Yes sir.
All right. So now our challenge is to find out this value which is equal to this value. This error is equivalent to this angle at the center here. So if we have this one as 900 cos latitude, the course is 000 at the speed v, that means this is v. The true north is here. The resultant is this. So the gyro compass is getting shifted in this direction. It starts pointing here. So we call this gyro north. The angle that is created here, theta, is the same angle created theta here, which is called steaming error. So if we want to find out, let us say, or please tell me if you are happy with this, that tan
So
theta
V by
is
9
equal to
900. V by 900
V
cos lambda.
by 900 cos latitude. Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Perpendicular by base is the tan theta. So theta can be found out tan inverse V by 900 cos latitude. Everyone happy?
Yes, sir.
So what is your observation? When the ship is doing northerly course, the error which is developing is
Westerly.
westerly. That means spin axis shifts to west of the meridian. Now you should be smart enough to understand and find out what if the ship is doing a southerly course. Will it not settle down perpendicular to this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So again the same theta. Here this is the base and this is perpendicular. So again tan theta is equal to P by B, which is V of the ship. इतना दूर चलती है. That means V by 900 cos latitude. Happy?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Say happy.
Yes, sir. Happy, sir.
Yes, sir.
Happy, sir.
Okay. Good. Now tell me what happens if the ship is doing easterly course, 900 cos lat, and she is doing a speed of V at 090 degrees. True north was here. Where is the ship going to, the gyro compass going to point?
So north. Sir.
True north. Same.
Why
north
north only? You are right, but explain why.
वेस्ट कोस्ट पे है ना, तो लैटिट्यूड तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं.
एग्जैक्टली लैटिट्यूड वही है, रिजल्टेंट में इसका टोटल रिजल्टेंट स्पीड बढ़ गई. ये अर्थ का स्पीड था, उसमें साथ जहाज भी चलने लगी, तो रिजल्टेंट वही रहा. मतलब रिजल्टेंट में मैग्नीट्यूड बढ़ गया, डायरेक्शन चेंज नहीं हुआ, तो इसका डायरेक्शन भी चेंज नहीं होता. इन केस द जायरो नॉट इज ऑल्सो हियर. What happens if the ship is doing a westerly course? The resultant is reduced only this much. Magnitude changes, but not the direction. Vector है तो magnitude भी है और direction भी है. तो 270 पे 090 पे what kind of observation we have? No SE in this case and in this case. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
When 000 and 180 maximum SE, streaming error. But the ship is not necessarily going to do only 4 courses. She can do any other course. She can go here, 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 here. कोई भी course कर सकती है. So we need to find a generic formula for this streaming error. So let us find out a generic formula for this. So again, Earth's peripheral motion is 900 cos lat. Let us say the ship is doing a northeasterly course at the speed of v. The course is CO. So now the resultant is this. Is that correct? The gyro north was here earlier. True north is here. Now the gyro is going to be shifted to this side. Again, since northerly course, it is getting shifted to having westerly error. Right?
Yes.
So again, the situation is same. We need to find out theta, which will be the same as steaming error. So for this, we do a small construction. हम इसको बेस को आगे बढ़ा देते हैं और परपेंडिकुलर एक ड्रॉप कर देते हैं यहां से यहां. So we have A, we have B, C, and D. So in this case, the theta, rather tan theta, is equal to perpendicular, is that CD by 900 cos, और इसको ऐसे करते हैं AB plus BD. Is it right or not?
Yes, sir.
If this is course, this is 90 minus course. So CD is equal to this one. If we want to find out CD, CD की value क्या होगी? We already have the hypotenuse, which is V. We have the angle 90 minus course. We want to find out this. So is it CD is equal to V sine 90 minus course?
Yes, sir.
AB is equal to 900 cos lat. AB is equal to 900 cos lat. BD is equal to plus. Now base and hypotenuse. So is it V cos 90 minus course? Base and hypotenuse.
Yes, sir. Base and
So from here, can we have this, that tan theta is equal to V sine 90 minus course is V cos course divided by 900 cos latitude plus V sine course. Do we have this?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
This is the generic formula for steaming error. Theta is equal to steaming error. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what happens if she is doing this course.
सर एक डाउट था
बोलिए.
सर हमने ये स्टीमिंग एरर जो थीटा है उसको स्टीमिंग एरर बोलते हैं ना सर.
Yes?
हाँ
Same
तो
value?
हाँ ओके सर. बट जैसे अभी हम लोग नॉर्थ या साउथ में अगर जैसे शिप ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है सीधा अच्छा उसमें तो ट्रेनिंग,
सीधा
अच्छा
मतलब 000।
यस सर, उसमें आपने कहा था ना स्ट्रीमिंग, अच्छा स्ट्रीमिंग एरर मैक्सिमम होगा उसके केस में ना?
मैक्सिमम होगा यहाँ पे। अगर वही स्पीड है यहाँ पे v और वही स्पीड है यहाँ पे, तो इसमें और इसमें एरर कम हो गई या नहीं, ये बदल गया या नहीं?
यस समझ गया सर, समझ गया, थैंक यू।
यस। तो जैसे जैसे हम 0 से 90 की तरफ जाते हैं ये कम होता जाता है एरर। 90 पे 0 हो गया, फिर 180 पे मैक्सिमम हो जाएगा, फिर 270 पे मिनिमम होएगा, 0 होएगा, फिर मैक्सिमम होएगा। सो इट गोज इन सेमी सर्किल। एरर फ्रॉम 0 टू मैक्सिमम टू 0 टू मैक्सिमम।
समझ गया, थैंक यू।
Yes. So now you are faced with a situation which I have given you, that the ship is doing a northwesterly course. Try doing it, giving you the hint that the resultant is this. The gyro north will be here. The error is this, error is this. This time you have to drop the perpendicular here. Now tell me the formula for this. How do you find out the SE? Streaming error. अभी जो फॉर्मूला लिखा था आपने, उसी के बेसिस पे टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस केस। हेलो,
हाँ सब
वर्किंग
कर
आउट सेटिंग।
हाँ सब कर
कर रहे हैं।
Okay, giving you a simple lead. The value will remain same. This one is B. This is still remaining B cos course. This one still remains B sin course. Only the thing is that you are going to not add but subtract.
V cos cos डिवाइड बाय 900 cos माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस V
बस माइनस हो जाएगा. Exactly. That means the formula that we have written is tan SE is equal to V cos force by 900 cos lat plus minus V sin force. When plus, when anything easterly is all plus, anything westerly is all minus. Clear?
यस सर.
Second observation. Whenever the course is, where is the course? Pen chalega tab na course hoega. Whenever the course is northerly, the steaming error is westerly. Whenever the course is southerly, the steaming error will be easterly. पेन सूख गया था. सदरली कोर्सेस हमेशा इधर को रहेगा रिजल्टेंट. द एरर विल बी ईस्टर्ली. On all northerly courses, the error will be westerly. On all the southerly courses, error will be easterly. Two observations. Easterly courses plus westerly courses minus. Northerly courses, error is westerly. Southerly courses, error is easterly. Is the idea home?
Yes, sir.
One more thing to understand here. Is that if this is 900 cos lat, if the course is this much, then from 000 it is coming to 090. यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम था, यहाँ पे 0 है, यहाँ पे कम होने लगता है. Again maximum here, but with ulta sign. So what course should we take? Should we take quadrantal course or should we take the full course? You can take any which one. अगर क्वाड्रेंटल लेंगे तो प्लस माइनस खुद करना होगा. अगर पूरा कोर्स लेंगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली वैल्यू बदल जाएगी. कैसे? जो हमने अभी प्लस माइनस किया था इसके साथ 900 cos lat plus minus v sin course. We said anything this side is plus and anything on westerly course is minus. So let us pick up an example and give me the answer. This one, let us say it is 135 degrees. Course is 135 degrees. Tell me the error that is going to happen because it is southerly. Naturally, it will be easterly, but how much? Tell me, calculate. Speed, let us say, is 20 knots. V is 20 knots. Course is 135 degrees. How much is the error and also the sign of the error? Please tell me. Of course, it is easterly, but I'm asking you.
Latitude कितना बताया?
सर लैटिट्यूड क्या
Latitude.
Very good, very good. Latitude, let us say 15 degrees only, जो हम लोग शुरुआत में लेके चल रहे थे. 15 degrees north.
Minus 0.95.
Answer 0.9 west.
Come again. I don't have an answer to this. I haven't calculated. It is just randomly given. So I will depend on your answer, believing that you have done the right calculations.
So theta minus 0.92 आ रहा.
Minus.
हाँ तो सर माइनस मतलब वेस्ट हो गया ना सर.
माइनस हो गया मतलब वेस्ट हो गया.
Yes, sir. Minus 0.90.
माइनस हो गया मतलब वेस्टर्ली हो गया. बट आप लोगों ने एरर के बारे में ईस्टर्ली वेस्टर्ली सुना है जहाज में या हाई लो सुना है?
सर हाई लो लिखते हैं.
हाई लो सुना सर.
हाई
हाई
लो
लो.
सर.
हम यहाँ ईस्टर्ली वेस्टर्ली बात कर रहे हैं. ऐसा क्यों? Why we are talking about easterly westerly when the error was always spoken as high and low? Because if you are reading here, what reading are you getting here?
0.
0.
0, 0, 0.
If the spin axis is moving towards west, मैं अपनी तरफ से west कर रहा हूं. What are you reading now?
355.
355.
तो लो. You are reading नहीं, उल्टा ऐसे करते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं. इधर से देखते हैं. You are reading 0, 0, 0, and if it is ऐसे मैं दिखाता हूँ. If it is shifted to west, what are you reading now?
5.
0, 0, 5. Is it reading high?
Yes sir, high.
Yes, sir.
If it is shifted to this side, that means easterly. What is the reading?
355.
Is it lower than what actually is? अगर एरर नहीं होता तो 0, 0 होता. अगर वेस्टर्ली शिफ्ट हो रहा है तो जायरो इज रीडिंग
Higher.
5.
if the gyro is shifted easterly, you are reading low.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
So repeat the poetry that goes with the east, west, high, low, gyro, compass, and etc. etc. True.
Error is
Error
compass list.
east, gyro,
Least.
Error west, gyro
least.
west.
List.
Error west, gyro, west.
Best.
Are we saying if the gyro is shifting easterly, the gyro is going to read low, least? If it is shifting west, the gyro is going to read more, high. So are we now able to relate what is westerly error? Westerly is high, easterly is low in the gyro compass. If there is easterly shift of the spin axis, अगर error easterly हुआ तो वो कम दिखाएगा. Gyro will start reading less. अगर वो west को move कर गया तो it will show more than the heading, true heading. And that is why it is called error east, gyro least, error west, gyro best.
Yes sir.
Clear?
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Good. So this is the steaming error. We will be doing some exercises, some numericals on this, which will be happening in the next class. But for now, we talk about rolling error. You have already understood rolling error. When the weight is shifted because of rolling, when the liquid is flowing from one side to the other side, there is little bit of wandering of the gyro compass. If it was solid weight, then it would happen more, but that we have taken care of by liquid, high density liquid, which flows slowly. तो वो जहाज के रोलिंग को उतना रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करता और डेविएशंस जो है, जो वॉन्डरिंग ऑफ द स्पिन एक्सिस is becoming less and less. Here one thing we should know, on different headings what will be the effect of the rolling error. Now we have two reservoirs of the liquid which is aligned with the spin axis. Spin axis itself is aligned with the meridian. Supposing you are doing a northerly course, north की तरफ जा रहे हैं. When the ship is doing this rolling motion, is there going to be any shift of weight from one port to the other?
Yes, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir. किसने कहा? अगर मैं इसको यूं घुमाऊं तो क्या वेट शिफ्ट हो रहा है, लिक्विड शिफ्ट हो रहा है इसमें?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. That means on northerly courses rolling error is 0. Also on 180 the rolling error is going to be 0. But the ship is going easterly. She is going this way and she is rolling like this. So will there be shift of weight from one liquid to the other and one reservoir to the other?
Yes, sir.
That means on easterly and westerly courses rolling error is maximum. And any intermediate courses, there will be intermediate amount of rolling error, if at all. Are we getting it, Jaspreet? Jaspreet साहब जवाब नहीं देंगे, सो रहे हैं. अनिल कुमार. These classes you can't afford to miss. यहीं पे सारा कॉन्सेप्ट है. दोबारा पूछेंगे मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. क्लास में नहीं होंगे तो मैं नहीं बताऊंगा. क्लास में है 50 बार रिपीट करूंगा. अमितोज.
Yes, sir.
सर एक बार नॉर्थ हेडिंग का बता देंगे. नेटवर्क चला गया था. नॉर्थ हेडिंग पे 0 क्यों रहेगा वो? नॉर्थर्ली कोर्स पे
0 क्यों रहेगा? वेट अ सेकंड. This is the spin axis. The reservoirs are placed in line with the spin axis. ये spin axis है और
Yes,
reservoirs कप जो है वो यहाँ पे नॉर्थ साउथ में aligned है. When the ship is going north course, it is in the same direction of the spin axis. The ship is also going like this. Spin axis also pointing to north, ship also going to north. Cups here, reservoirs, mercury reservoirs here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now when the ship is rolling, is there any weight shift? टॉर्क लगता है कब? जब लिक्विड चेंज होती है. इस केस में लिक्विड एक रिजर्वायर से दूसरे रिजर्वायर में जाएगा क्या?
नेगेटिव सर नहीं जाएगा.
नेगेटिव. सो नॉर्थ पे 0 होगा. बट द सेम वे इफ द शिप इज गोइंग लाइक दिस, ये तो नॉर्थ साउथ में ही रहेगा. इन दिस केस व्हेन द शिप इज गोइंग लाइक दिस, द रोलिंग विल हैपन लाइक दिस. So will the liquid try to flow from one side to the other? When tilted like this, when tilted like this.
Yes, sir.
So on easterly course, maximum shift of liquid will be there.
Yes, sir.
Same will happen on westerly course. Due west.
Yes, sir.
South में क्या होगा? When the ship is going south, she is going south, and she is rolling like this. Will there be any liquid shift?
No, sir. So error 0 रहेगा. Rolling error.
So that's the whole idea. Rolling errors are maximum on north and south course, due north and due south, 0 on due east and due west, and anything in between on any intermediate courses.
So northerly और southerly में 0 रहेगा ना अपने का?
Come again?
Northerly और southerly course में 0 रहेगा ना error?
हाँ 0 है.
अच्छा नहीं आपने भी वो 90 वो maximum बोला ना, confuse हो गया.
अच्छा उल्टा बोल दिया. Okay, I missed it then. Confusion में मैं उल्टा बोल गया.
Yes, okay, ठीक है. Thank you.
North south में 0, east west में maximum.
Yes.
Okay. मैंने अगर बोला तो गलत बोल दिया, उल्टा बोल दिया. Are we good?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. The accelerate. You are asking Mohit something?
No, sir.
Okay. Next one is the acceleration error. To understand the acceleration error, supposing you are holding a cup full of water and you are standing on the train. Train is stationary. You are stationary. The cup with full of water is also stationary. Supposing the train starts moving forward, provided you are supported, आप नहीं गिरे अगर, उस लिक्विड का क्या होगा जो आपके कप में है? अगर जहाज ट्रेन आगे को चलती है तो लिक्विड का क्या होगा?
सर पीछे ऊपर गिर जाए.
पीछे की तरफ गिरेगा.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because of inertia, the water will try to remain there. वो आगे जाती है तो water will go back. Same way, if it is in motion and the train breaks, so the water will try to split forward because of inertia.
Yes.
So again, we have the 2 cups of liquid on, let us say first, northerly course. When the ship was stationary, she starts picking up speed. So because of this, will the liquid in this reservoir, forward reservoir, will try to go back and get into the south pot? जब आगे को जाएगी तो ये वाली लिक्विड पीछे को आने को देखेगी या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
That means during acceleration, when the speed is changing, only during the speed is changing, there is momentarily shift of liquid because of acceleration. The ship speed 0, 2 knots, 4 knots, 6 knots, 8 knots, 10 knots, जैसे जैसे बढ़ता जा रहा है उस continuous motion के चलते liquid keeps on going back. So on northerly course, the liquid will shift from north pot to the south pot. So torque will be created at the south
Yes,
end,
sir.
and there will be a torque applied, and that will cause precession. That means precession means easterly or westerly movement of the spin axis depending on the rotation. If the ship is going southward, then south pot से liquid north की तरफ जाएगा. From this pot to forward pot, when the ship is going like this, तो इस pot से इस pot में liquid shift होएगा.
Yes, sir.
So reverse torque will be applied on the north end, torque will be applied, and this will cause wandering of the, not wandering, but one phase shift of the spin axis. But as the ship is steadying down on a given speed, on a given course, तब सब मामला सब सेटल हो जाता है, फिर से वापस आकर के और बैलेंस आउट हो जाएगा. So only during acceleration there is momentarily shift of the spin axis to one side, depending on the type of compass that we are using. On north and south course, this will happen maximum. But what happens if the ship is accelerating like this on easterly or westerly courses? North udhar hai, the cups are aligned with the spin axis, north south mein hota hai. When the ship is going west or east, will there be any change of liquid from one part to the other?
Negative.
Negative. So on east and west, there is no acceleration error. This happens only during acceleration, either increase of speed or decrease of speed. Also, change of course. When the ship is changing course, during that time also, because of inertia, the liquid tries to flow from one side to the other, depending on the course. But as she settles down on a new speed, on a new course, then everything is steady again and the spin axis is holding where it should. So that is acceleration error or ballistic deflection error. This is ballistic deflection due to acceleration, either change of speed or change of course. Remember that all these four things that we have talked about, the latitude error, steaming error, rolling error, and ballistic deflection are happening because of the motion of the ship. The motion of the ship is different, or location of the ship is different, so it keeps on changing. All of four of them are changing differently, showing results at different times and different conditions, and that is why they are called dynamic or variable errors. कभी इतना, कभी उतना, कभी कम, कभी ज्यादा, depending on latitude, depending on course, depending on speed. So the steaming error that we were talking about, that was because of steaming of the ship. What is the steaming of ship? At given latitude, given course, and given speed, given L, given C, and given S. So steaming error is also called LCS error. Sometimes LSC bhi bolte hain. So when you see LCS error or LSC error or steaming error, they are all same things. Not different. Similarly, the latitude error, damping error, tangent error, and or what? Settling error. All are same things. All four of them are same thing. Latitude, settling, damping, tangent. All are same errors.
Copy, sir.
So with this, we are done with the errors. We have seen the formula for steaming error. We have seen the formula for latitude error or damping error. So the two formulas that we are going to use extensively in our discussions of or exercise of numericals is going to be these two.
So ballistic deflection error क्या है सर?
बैलिस्टिक अभी बात कर रहे थे वो, अभी तुरंत बात किया था
जो
हमने।
acceleration error
एक्सेलरेशन एरर, बैलिस्टिक डिफ्लेक्शन, वही तो लिक्विड डिफ्लेक्ट हो रहा था ना
ठीक है
एक्सेलरेशन के
सर।
चलते।
हाँ जी,
तो
ओके सर।
sin DE is equal to K tan latitude. This is number one that we are going to use extensively. Other one is tan SE is equal to V cos force divided by 900 cos lat plus minus V sin force. So these are the two formulas that we are going to use, but there will be others also which will come when we discuss more of the questions. There is also another formula for this. One more formula for streaming error, which we will be seeing as we are doing the numericals. Any questions?
No, sir.
सर
Anyone?
जो DE लिखा है वो क्या है सर?
Damping error?
ओके सर, डैम्प।
हमने यहाँ पे लिखा था साइन एजिमथ, जो इस केस में हमने
अच्छा।
देखा था कि जो एरर हो रही थी वो एजिमथ एरर हमने बात किया था। This is the
Yes, sir.
same azimuth error and we are calling it damping error.
ओके सर। सर जो लास्ट न्यूमेरिकल आपने डाला था जिसमें कोर्स 155 दिया था, तो उसमें सर आंसर में
155
हम क्वाड्रेंटली यूज करेंगे ना? 155
क्वाड्रेंटल यूज करेंगे। सुनिए, अगर क्वाड्रेंटल यूज करेंगे तो आपको ये साइन चेंज करना पड़ेगा अपने हिसाब से। मतलब आपको ये प्लस माइनस करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे वेदर वेस्टर्ली और ईस्टर्ली एरर होगा, दैट विल डिपेंड ऑन द माइनस प्लस वैल्यू। अगर क्वाड्रेंटल करेंगे तो अगर
ओके सर, जैसे मेरा नेगेटिव में आया था, डायरेक्टली लिया था।
अगर आप पूरा कोर्स लेंगे तो इसकी वैल्यू या तो नेगेटिव आएगी या पॉजिटिव आएगी। अगर नेगेटिव आएगी तो वेस्टर्ली, अगर पॉजिटिव आएगा तो ईस्टर्ली।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Similarly, same value, if you take the course here, automatically you will have a sign either coming to negative or coming to positive. अगर वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आया तो ऐड कर दो, अगर वैल्यू नेगेटिव आया तो माइनस कर दो।
ओके सर। सो इनिशियल साइन तो हम कोर्स के हिसाब से लेंगे।
हाँ जी,
सो इनिशियल जो साइन लेंगे प्लस माइनस, वो तो डायरेक्शन के हिसाब से ही लेंगे।
डायरेक्शन के हिसाब से नहीं। आपको मान लीजिए यहाँ पे आपने अगर मान लीजिए कि यू हैव 205 डिग्री, सो 205 कितना वैल्यू आता है? साइन 205 इज इक्वल टू
नेगेटिव में है सर, माइनस
नेगेटिव में, तो
13.6।
नेगेटिव का माइनस कर दीजिए। अगर हम यहाँ पे 105 ले रहे हैं कोर्स, तो कितना हो रहा है वैल्यू इसका? साइन 105 इज इट पॉजिटिव वैल्यू?
हाँ जी सर,
Then
पॉजिटिव
we
है।
just add। तो अगर पूरा कोर्स तो जो साइन आता है वो साइन अप्लाई कर दीजिए। इंसिडेंटली अगर ईस्टर्ली कोर्स है तो ये प्लस आएगा, अगर वेस्टर्ली कोर्स है तो नेगेटिव आएगा। यहाँ की वैल्यू आ रही है, अगर एनीथिंग फ्रॉम 0 to 180 you will get plus value, 180 to 360 you will get negative value.
ओके सर। सो जो
Clear?
वैल्यू आई वही डालनी है हमने, पहले कोई साइन नहीं लगाना।
Exactly. आप पूरा का पूरा कोर्स ले लो, जो वैल्यू आता है डाल दो,
ओके सर।
और वो उसी कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ जाएगा। इस करली होगी तो प्लस आएगा, वेस्ट करली कोर्स होगा तो माइनस आएगा।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
Right. So have a great day, all of you. Next class onwards, we start doing numericals.
Okay, sir.
Right? Chaliye, bye bye.
Okay,
Have
sir.
a great day, all of you. Signing off.
Okay, sir.
Bye,
Thank you.
sir.
Bye bye.